Ricochet has introduced a new way of organizing your online inventory. Collections allow you to create your own unique groupings of items to allow a different or more focused pathway to guide your customers through your website. Collections can be created and added to each online item, and items also can be attached to multiple collections. Collections can then be visible in the top navigation bar or added to the home page as a carousel module. To add a new collection, go to Preferences, then to Product, then click the Collections. Click New Collection, then add in the collection name. You also can add a photo to the collection, and these will display in the collection carousel visible on the home page. Assigning collections is simple enough. Just choose the collection after clicking Show Online from the drop-down menu in the online store and shipping section. You also can add collections to items using the bulk editor. This can be done in the product section or in a consignor's inventory tab. Collections can be used for a bunch of reasons. Stores with men's and women's clothes or women's and babies' clothes may choose to only have two collections to separate the two styles of inventory. Other stores may choose to highlight specific consignors or vendors. You can even get creative and choose things like staff favorites, or if you have a lot of sale items, create a sales section. If you have ever wanted an alternative way of displaying inventory items, this feature is for you. And feel free to reach out to Ricochet with any questions.